In this demo, we will cover three major functions of AltaSQL Enterprise: full create view automation, common table expressions, and plug and play, which is also available in Select Discover. We assume you are already familiar with AltaSQL, so we will not show metadata DML executions, meaning the inserts and the updates that we use for managing metadata. So let's get into the live demonstration. We begin by setting session variables for use as AltaSQL tag class definitions and the repository context. We will use the natural language customer view definition for the demo. We add a column tag on the company column to describe what kind of company it is. We add a simple data masking policy on the email column and on the phone column. Although we did these last operations manually, note that normally you would store these as AltaSQL tags. So let's generate the basic view. We're going to use very few options here. We're going to tell it what the name of the view is, what the comment on the view is, and where it should go. We will also use an AltaSQL tag to specify the from clause. Here is the generated create view statement. Note the comments, note the column tag, and note the masking policies. And you will see the masking policies applied to both the phone and the email columns. One thing to notice in the generated DDL is the comment on the view. If you look closely, you will see breadcrumbs that tell you what view definition and when it was generated. Now we are going to generate the view as a secure view, and we are going to hide the column comments. You will see that now we have only the tags and the data masking policies in the pre-select column list, and also note that in the view comment, we have eliminated the breadcrumbs for security reasons. When we do a describe view on our new view, you will see that there are no comments. Handcrafting create view DDL statements with column comments, column tags, and column data masking policies, as well as Snowflake's create view options, is one of the most difficult and painful statements you can write. AltaSQL completely automates and manages generating create view DDL, providing a unique level of productivity. We started with a repository with all of the Chinook tables. We will work with the track table. The initial track select statement looks like this. This was the original select star replacement. We created a new view definition, bw_track_fact, which we will denormalize in this demo using the CTEs. This is the function we use to create a CTE from the album table, and this is for the genre table. This is the function that we use to create the AltaSQL tag to hold the from clause that has the joins between the CTEs and the actual track table. This is the expression we use to add the genre column to the result. And this adds the album title to the resulting select statement. We generate the select statement using the from clause from the tag. Note the use of the getTagValue function. This is the denormalized select statement. Note the columns from the dimensional CTEs. And here's what the sample execution looks like. Note that there are, of course, many tracks in the table. Finally, we show the reusability of both the common table expressions and the tags. We get the album CTE body from the track fact view definition. Note that AltaSQL will fill in the with. We get the from clause from the AltaSQL tag, also from the track fact view definition. Note that this is how you reuse components for creating new view definitions. Let's generate a select statement using a manual from clause. Let's add the from clause AltaSQL tag default from clause to customer. Let's use a bulk operation to add a CRLDB from clause tag to all the natural language view definitions. Let's generate the select statement using the CR_DB from clause. Let's add a post from clause. Note the post from and note the results. AltaSQL's plug and play gives you an entirely new method of building and maintaining SQL statements. Thank you for your time. We believe that AltaSQL technology can significantly enhance your use of the Snowflake AI Data Cloud.